Hello guys, welcome to part 2 from the series how to create a WordPress website from scratch. If you followed the first tutorial, you should know what we've currently done. If not, please check it out. Okay, so let's start again. New day, new start. We have the website, up and running. Or if it's not, I will have to turn on, Okay, so this is the website so far. This is the default. Oh, here's the banner we've put yesterday. Okay, that's great. So now we know where the banners can go. Let me log in. I could have done it from there. Okay, so yesterday we've installed the blog, set it up and running. We configured the theme and most of the settings. So what's left to do is basically create the pages. I've created an example page which I will be deleting right now, and the sample page which is over here, and it's the default WordPress page. It comes with the installation. I'll delete it as well. Make sure you delete them from the trash, otherwise you won't be able to use the same URL addresses. So okay, let me see now what would the first page be which we will be needing. Okay, so this is the current website, the original one. I won't buy VPN. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's go to services. Services should be a basic page. Okay, so the society has a variety of programs and enterprise department, and all of that is under the page services. Okay, let's just have a look. Kingston. Okay, what I don't like here is that they have all those, like, they have a button in the menu services, and when you go here it's basically giving you a brief description of services, and after that, that's it. It's the main idea that I'm currently looking at is if they have 20 departments, and basically every single one of them will be written over here on the page, one below each other, which, yeah, if there's one, I suppose it's okay, but the more services they start getting, the worse to start looking. So what I'll probably do is I'll create a menu, like it will be used as a main menu. I'll have services, which the link won't lead to anything for now, but when you hover over the link itself, it will show the enterprise department. The department aims to ensure that all Kingston University students and graduates have the opportunity to become more enterprising. The department runs a variety of different programs, including Okay, let's see how it goes. I still don't have any clear thought of how it will be. As I've mentioned in my first video, I don't have any plan whatsoever. Basically, I'm just doing it as it is. Okay, writing, reading. Menus. I forgot how to work with WordPress. Header menu. Okay, this will be used as a main menu. Okay, so if I set this as a primary menu and then save it, when I go to the default site, here should be empty, but it's not. Let's see, what about if I add like only one link? Kingston Entrepreneur. Okay, add to menu. save, refresh. Yeah, okay, so now we have a menu I've created used as the main menu in the website. So now we can like build on it. The home page should give me a break. Yeah, the home page should lead to the home page as it is. Okay, that's alright. Now, yeah, we'll be creating a new page. Actually, I changed my mind. I'll leave services for now. I can use contact, yeah. Since I've never used that theme before from Elegant Themes and it's quite advanced, I'd rather go with something simple as a first page so I can see how it goes. Okay, so this is the contact page. Okay, so contact us. It should display the URL. Yep, we have it. Now I'm pressing on U. Yes, so use page builder. And now what we have here in the middle of the screen, as far as I understood, because I had a quick look at the documentation of the theme. Basically what we see over here is what the website will be displayed on the page itself. So we have columns, we have rows, and we have sections. So the section, it will be like, let me press on preview. Yeah, so what you see over here, that white, this is one section. Inside that section we can have many rows, so that thing over here we can have 100, 100, 100 and etc. But it will be inside the whole section, and inside the row there are specific columns. You'll see how it goes. So from the contact page here, it's just a contact form really. So let's see. Here's how I would like to devise the row. Half, half, three half, four half. I can have a map, like Google Maps or something like that, because this one over here, it looks just like, I don't know, yeah, it's nice form, even though it's a bit hard to see, at least on my monitor. I'm not sure, is it because of my browser or because I'm using a proxy? It should be alright, like, even though I'm using a proxy, it shouldn't matter. And over here, resources, uncategorized and latest news and tweets and okay, let's I'll make it half-half for now. So insert modules, and here there should be contact form. Yep. Display capture, yes. Email, that's an interesting one. They don't have any emails here, so I'll just put info@kingsentrepreneurs.co.uk. Just leave it as this. Again, as mentioned in the first video, it will be a good thing to do that. If I've misspelled something, I'm horrible at spelling, so please don't judge me. Title. Define a title for your contact form. Contact us. Admin label. This will change the label of the module in the okay. Enter an optional CSS ID. No, this is if you want to change something within the design of the form, like specify it and etc. So have a contact form. Let's see what happened actually. Oh, okay. Let me have a look at Elegant Themes. Themes. I'll just go to live demo It's like, I know it's extensible, but I suck at CSS and design in general. So, oh, that's great. Actually, I can do this thing. So you have the contact form here. Oh yeah, the main idea behind rows. This is basically one row, and this is the second one, and this is an entire new section. Yeah. So this is a section, this is one row, and this second row, and all together, those together, they make another section. This is how it goes with the theme, as far as I understood. But okay, let's save that for now. We have the contact form here. Okay, contact information. Okay. I can actually use, I think I've done it all right. So we have the contact form here, one side, and the next side we can put text. Let's see, pricing block, sidebar, divider. Yeah, we can just put a text. Color, text color dark, text orientation left. The text will be, I'll just copy it from here, from the template. Or they don't have any working hours, so there's no point with this one. How to contact us. Let me just sit more comfortably in my chair. Okay, how to contact. Actually, I'd rather use the text editor. Yeah. And since I'm not very good in deciding what kind of information should I include, it would be probably a good idea to just see what the university itself has on their website, so I can just copy all of those. How to find this actually? Yeah, they'll probably have to change the address. As far as I know, yeah, this is the address we'll need. Kingston University. The people responsible for the societies were called KUSO, Kingston University Student Union. Yeah, so this should be the main address of the society, I think. Penry Road. Yep, okay. We have the address. I'm still thinking we could have put a map next to the address over here. Where was I looking at it? Really? Apparently I closed it. I like closing stuff. Yeah. Page layouts, contact us. So we can put the information over here, and then we can. Nah, this field is too small for a map. Nah. Okay, how to find us? Address. Other contact information, phone. I just put a random number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, phone number, mobile. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Please don't call like those numbers. Sorry. Because I just thought of them like randomly, so I don't want to bother people just for having numbers over here. Okay, mobile, phone number, and let's say email address. No, I like copying stuff a lot. Okay, save, preview the page again. I think that looks pretty good, to be honest. How to find us? Yeah. Okay, so I just want to change several things on the text. How to find us? Okay, so what I think to do here is basically make the text a bit bigger. Like, am I blind? Am I becoming blind? Apparently I am. Haven't used WordPress to like write anything big or whatever. Okay, I'll just use HTML tags. Like, screw that. Address. I'll make it bold. Bold. Actually, H3. Well, let's say 4. H4. Let's see what happened now. Preview. And this too ugly. Okay, so it's playing it big. I want this to be in the center. Alright. What else I don't like? Actually, I like the other stuff. Mobile phone, yeah, nice and simple. So, okay, this in the center. I would like to leave a space over here. And 2 spaces over here. So when I save it now and I preview the page, that's it. Nice and simple. So how to find us, address, other contact information, or if you're too lazy, for example, to like write the full address, you can just put your email stuff over here and press submit. Yeah. Let's see, is this work? Nah, I have it on my local. I'm sure it's working. The form. Okay, so now let's test the actual power of this theme. The power is not just creating text and like structuring it around the screen, but it also, I have a row here for that row. So the row contains the, okay, so if I press here, I can put a background image on this whole section over here. So between the footer and between over here, that section over here, I can put a background image, which I won't do, but what I will do is, like, let's say I have set some kind of color, current color, so I can see over here what the color will be. Let's say gray, like this one. Let's preview now. You see what happened? Basically, this is the power of the theme. It allows you to change like different parts of the website to be whatever you want them to be. Let me look here. think this looks a bit more fresh, but we have to also like mind the logo. So if the logo is orange, looks good, but having orange background, that will look ugly. No. Green. What about no? I think this is the color they're using in the preview over here. Okay, my eyes hurt. Thank you very much. This is why I'm mostly aiming at programming and why I don't like design. I'm just horrible, and I mean I'm really horrible at that kind of stuff. I know people who, if you give them that kind of functionality, they will like be able to create a proper design in like less than 5 minutes. Okay, I'll probably need to ask someone to help me out with this one, and by helping out I mean choose the colors, because I really suck at this. So let me put a note again. It's always a good thing to have notes. Obviously I won't forget to ask someone. If someone from the society tells me like use the same colors as here, I'll just open the source code, see what are the current colors, and just use them. But for background, nah, this looks like graveyard. Okay, I'll give it another try. Let's say background color. Okay, if we don't want it to be gray, what about this one? Yeah, this one seems nice, even though I don't like the white space over here. That could be changed. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, so they have a section with all of those. Yeah. So what I can do here is I can change the color of this text easily. So this is not a problem. I do like how the coloring looks right now, but okay. Just save what I've done so far, and let's add another section. Let's see how it goes. Or no, row won't do, because if I do another row, it will be the same color as this one, since I've created a color for the whole section. So what I'll do instead is I'll add another section. Okay, and I'll just make it 4x4x4. Press. So here I can add modules. Okay, let's see. I can add testimonials, which I suppose it will look something like testimonials, like what people used our services think of us, or something like that. Or I can use the latest tweets. Does it have something related to tweets? No, not Twitter. Okay, let's just put testimonials. Author name, author site here. Also, I have to put like manually a testimonial. I'll miss this one for now. This is why I've mentioned that the whole idea of this video is not actually to show you, it's not an actual tutorial. It's about just to show you how the process of like creating a WordPress blog or site is. Obviously, if you are someone who is extremely experienced with WordPress and they can build their own custom themes and stuff like that. All of that what I'm currently doing is like it will be completely different from them. It will be just a snap. For me though, I haven't used WordPress for creating a proper website for a long time, and I've chosen like probably one of the most advanced themes possible, which will help me to achieve that. So I have to cope with learning WordPress again, like the basics of it, even though it hasn't changed pretty much from, how can I say, from options. Basically, the last time I used it, it was version 3 just came out. So from functionality is pretty much the same as I remember, but with those themes and etc, it go way off. I'm way behind it. Okay, so just like put images or something like that. Okay, let's actually, I will leave this one for now. I'll browse through the website and see what I can put. They have a blog which, oh, they're putting information in. That's nice. So for 1 year there's actually one article. Okay, that's fair enough. Let me do something. Bam. Okay, closed everything. Look at the website. I'll get the perm link for that. And now I can go to appearance. No, yeah, menus. Links. Add new link. So to the contact page. Contact us. Add to menu. Save. And when I go to the main website, it's over here. When I pressed it, say it won't find. I think because, yeah, it's a draft. I still haven't published the page, but since I'm doing it on localhost, I don't see any problem publishing it, since no one will see it. It's only me having access to this computer. So when I publish it, refresh the page, yeah, that's what I see. Again, I should probably I cannot that. What that kind of websites are doing is generating colors that are similar to each other, which will get along in a website. Or so yeah, over here. No, is that it? It's only four colors. Yes. Okay, so this is a random page, how it may look like. Nah, I think this one will look cool. Let me check another generator. Color wheel. I don't need color wheel. Yeah, I suck at design. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now, until I decide what to do with it. But from the looks of it, where's it? Oh, the text is here. I'm quite satisfied with how it looks. Or I can actually div style text align. And if I remove this one from here, so it's an just ordinary h2 tag, and put it here and save and refresh. Yeah. How to find us, address and everything. Now just put a couple of BR tags. Save, preview. Come on. What happened over here? I didn't save the changes. No, I'm sure I did. Well, since I'm that stupid, I could have simply just used center over here, and the theme should take care of it on its own. Yeah, but that's not the point. The point is I want BR tags. For some reason they're not showing. For the people who are not aware of HTML, what BR tags are doing, it's basically just creating an empty space, like over here, just an empty line. And by having those, oh, update, oh, yeah, and now I feel stupid. It's still not updating. Now this is getting weird. What if I use this? Okay, update and preview. Okay, so I've got around the problem by using the non-breaking space. Oh, I see. I got around the problem by using the visual editor, which comes by default with WordPress. I just need to do some changes to it. Like save it like that, update, preview. I usually don't like the visual editor because sometimes it may suck big time. Like for example, I want only like 2 lines over here, but it's actually start like separating the text for no reason. And when I look at the code, it's not changed at all. That's the only thing I want. Leave everything else as it is. Please work with me, WordPress. No. For the people watching this video, I'm really sorry for having to bother you guys with dealing with a theme for so long. But as I said and will continue saying, this is not a tutorial, so also I can see the horizontal lines. It's saving them, but it's not saving the BR ones. Okay. Now this is bullshit. Update, preview. Yeah, and they disappear. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. I mean, when I add the horizontal line, it does show. So let's have one horizontal line. Kingston upon Thames. Okay, at least the address should look alright right now. Okay, address Kingston QC, Pendry Road. Sorry, yeah. Okay, the address looks alright. So that's taken care of. And when I open the visual editor and it's messing it up again. I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, I'll do something else. I'll delete the how to find us. And this is a small hack for now. What I've noticed is it works fine and it looks fine until I open it again into the visual editor. So the problem must be coming from there. So what I will do, go away. Yeah. So what will I do is I'll fix it as it should be, like from the first try, and I'll, like, I don't know, I shouldn't open the page anymore, which doesn't make any sense whatsoever. Why would it behave like that? Non-breaking space, non-breaking space. Just put one here just in case. Update, preview. Okay, so now it looks fine. What will happen if I open the page, like open the text? It will mess it up. The good thing is I don't really have to touch anything about the text for now except for the color, but I still haven't decided on it. So I'll just leave that as it is right now. So, I'll probably have to write to the support of the theme, just basically ask the guys what's going on. I mean, I'm editing it, I'm saving it, I'm updating the page, yet my changes disappear. Doesn't make much sense to me. Okay, just to show you guys the difference between the sections. If I put something here and something here and I say test and save it and update the page and then preview. Yeah, this is the difference between the sections. So I have one section here with one row on it, and now I have another section below it. This is how it goes. So here I have pink. Yeah, look at here. It's like that's some serious stuff over here. E-commerce integration down to business. Sign up today. More information. I like this color. View page source. No, actually I want to inspect the element. Yes. Background image. Color, I mean. So we're here. Bam. Bam. Update. Actually, that's what I can do. Come on, preview changes. Yeah, I like that. And by using this method I can actually set it up to work my own way. For example, sign up today for instant access. This is obviously an image, but over here in the contact, I don't think it's an image over here. Yep. So I can do the same thing because I do like the color a lot. So not this one, not this one. Yeah. That's one of the reasons I love Google Chrome so much. It's extremely easy to add. So if I add new section, I can actually move section above section. It's so extensible. Save this color. No background image for now. Probably if the people from the society can come up with an image to be put over here, that would be great. If I update it now in preview, yep. And the thing, I'm wasting so much time about this contact form in general. It won't be wasted on every single page like that. It's once I get the basic idea of how to work in general with this theme, I can just like make the perfect layout for me, which I can use on other pages as well. And when I click over here, save layout, it will save a file on my computer. Basically, I'm not sure. Yeah, layout name. Yeah, whatever. And after that, I can just create a new page from pages and press load layout. And whatever like design I've created for this simple contact page, it will basically be automatically copied to the new one. So if I successfully like create something I really like and I would like to use the same colors all over the site, that's how to do it. So okay, over here I'll remove the background. Yeah, just use white, update again, preview changes, and bam. This is how it goes. Yeah, oh, this, I like it. It's very simple. I have to put the text here. I don't know how, but I suppose it's insert column, and I can choose like text and just say contact us. So actually the text I couldn't write over here. Contact us can be written over here, I think. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what's written here. Again, I'll copy another idea. Copying is good. I know some of the people, I don't mind, like, did I just delete it? The form. Oh. Okay, display capture, email, info. Get in touch. Yep. Why I'm doing the copying and stuff is because my main job is to create the website and the layout. Yeah, I did copy the colors as well, but the general idea is like I can change them in a snap because of this theme, because it's so powerful. So why I'm copying all this text is because also the text can be changed quite easily. I just need to have like to be able to show a basic template and design presented to the people from the entrepreneur society. They can have a look at it and basically say, hey, we like these colors, we like that and that or that, and I can just change it the way they want it to. And since the text itself over here, or the colors with WordPress specifically, it can be changed very easily, there's no need for me to actually not copying it. contact. So the page is called contact us, can send personal society, and over here for text okay, it's getting close to 45 minutes, and the only thing I've done today is set up a menu and still working on one page, which is quite embarrassing, to be honest, but having in mind all the functionality I have to deal with, I think for the next pages it will be a lot easier for me to get the job done. Contact our society. If you have any questions, we would love to answer them for you. It sounds cheesy. Save, update, preview changes. Here the text is white though. Okay. From here? No, what's that? Elegant themes box shortcode. Oh, I get it. Okay, I don't need this one now. Again, how does one change the text? When I last used WordPress, there was like an option inside that menu, the menu itself, which was used to change the color of the text. It's either because of the theme or things indeed changed a lot since the last time I've used it. Expand. No. Learn more. No. What I can do, I'm not sure will it work. In order to see, is it only because of the is it only because of the theme that I can't see those options? I can disable the theme and like put something else, but I'm not sure will those options be saved. Okay, I'll leave it like that for now. Oh, yeah, I'm really stupid. Like really. Update, preview, contact our society. Yeah. I'd rather make this one H1. Okay, I think this looks good so far. By the looks of it, we may need a new logo. This one is the one my browser has saved in its cache. Never mind that, I can change the colors, so it's not a problem. Okay, we can put something over here at the bottom now. Let's see what we can do. I'll delete this row because it's a full screen one. I don't really like full screen. Sidebar, animated camera. No, wait. Insert. No. Add new section. Yeah, that's what I need. let's say I want three of each. Start new module. I don't need call to action. Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but I'm about to test it. Call to action. Button text. Color, use background color, light color, text orientation center, text content. The best way to always see what something does is obviously to check it. Since I'm very curious by nature, I like doing that. Okay. This one I don't like, but I can see it being used. Yeah. I suppose it can. Call to action, this is text. Yeah, and this is a button. Ah, I see. This is useful functionality. For example, let's say you want to the society itself, they do that kind of stuff. Kingston Entrepreneurs, when you go a bit down, come on, it was somewhere here. No. Yeah, they had that event, for example, from a founder story, and when you click on it and you go to eventbrite.co.uk to book tickets and stuff like that. So what I imagine this being used for is, let's say we have a blog post, and if you use the correct layout, and from one of the sides you'll have your actual blog post, but from the other side you can actually like call to action, just put a button, and over here you may mention something like I don't know, for example, a founder story. Here you can put a bit of a description for it if the text is left orientated. So I've made it like center, but if I've made it left, save, update, preview, yeah, then it goes left oriented. A founder story, like a short description about whatever it is. Like, for example, let's copy just this part. I'm just letting you know, guys, about what I'm actually thinking. As I've mentioned time over and over again, this is not a tutorial, but just showing you the process of how I'm creating the website itself, what I'm thinking about, and etc. Yeah, so tuck, and here button text we can say book your place or book ticket, update, preview, and bam. So that's one of the main reasons, like I didn't know about all this functionality, but this is one of the main reasons why I've chosen this specific theme for this project, is because it's so extensible that the members of the society, obviously I'll need to provide them with, once I get my way around it, and I can show them how they can change it on their own as well. But yeah, this is great. And if I remember correctly, they do have a shop functionality. Yeah, recent products, post, control how many products are. So this shop can actually also be booking tickets online. Why would they need to use Eventbrite if they can do it from their own website? Yeah, it's quite useful. Okay, never mind, let's continue, because the video is 55 minutes long so far, and yeah, so far if I stop it on 1 hour, that means I've worked on this website in general for 1 hour and 40 minutes, which is, I don't know, the time does pass fast when I have to talk about it and look and etc. Okay, so footer, let's see what we can add for the footer. Let's say a testimonial. I'll just put a random thing. I saw people over here that they're happy from the events. The girls are in charge. 3 years ago it was me to go. Love it. Keep it up. Fountain. What I'm currently looking at is some kind of comment or something I can actually use, like just to put as an example recommendation. Oh, come on, people. Okay, so the only things I'm saying are currently here. Looks good, got me only one. Okay, I suppose I can put one on my own. I don't have any URL. Actually, you're in a new tab. Thank you. I think the same goes for the social media I was doing in the first video. Okay. And just to make sure I've spelled the name right. Copy. Okay. Extremely helpful. Okay, let's keep it short. I'm not too much into writing myself. Okay, so if I press save, update, and preview changes, yeah, I think this one is quite cool. Used for a contact page. Yeah. One thing I did notice though is that I have to set up the color again since I've deleted the last panel. Inspect element. No. Yes, in this one. Is it? This one. Copy. Come here. Select color. Paste. Save. Update. Okay, I don't like the white color. Testimonials. It's weird that now it doesn't really show me like an option, make the background that color or whatever. Okay, I think I'll leave it for now, but I may actually move it like to the left or to the right. Next one, let's see. What's that? Title, no URL, image alternative text. Let's have a look. I really want to like finish completely this page and then for the video. Oh, actually this is what I may use. Yeah, so from the testimonial I'll just copy the text. Stop with delete the testimonial. The title will appear here. What our members think. If you would like to make the blur, nope, nope, image, nope, image, nope, animation, text color light, text orientation left, and here I can do that, save it, update it. Man, I'm really getting my way around it now. I really like it. Finally, about time. Taking too long. Update, preview. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, it's okay for now, I suppose. I'll definitely change it. I like those colors more. About us, more information. And let's see. Slider, why not? We can add new slide. Heading button. But I'll have to add images for it. Video. So I can add a video even. That's nice. I'm not sure do they have any videos on YouTube. No. Oh. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, actually, I got the email address right. info@gamesenterpreneurs. Okay, that's nice. Twitter, Facebook. Yeah, they don't seem to have anything else. For the people which are wondering why my monitor got yellow, or yeah, I'm using a program called Flux, Flux, whatever. It's basically changing the color scheme of my monitor. Yeah, right now, based on the sunset, so it doesn't hurt your eyes or something like that. But you have to get used to it. Okay, so there is a video. Let me see. Okay, I can put pricing table, portfolio, contact form, sidebar. What's this? No, this program really disable for an hour. Yeah, I really like it, but I can't really see the color scheme. Oh, okay, this is quite nice, but it doesn't fit the background. Okay, so I'll leave. Can I leave it like that for now? Now I just got my way around it, so yeah, actually I can leave it like that. Okay guys, so what we've done today, it's basically for 1 hour I was struggling creating a contact us page, but now I got my way around it. I know how to use all of those, so probably for the next pages it will be a lot easier. I won't be struggling with all the menus and options and etc. Custom fields, yeah. We've chosen some specific colors. I think it looks quite nice. I copied it from the original theme preview. Because really, if you think about it, if the guys who created the theme like can't create anything nice, then the theme is not worth anything. But I do like the coloring. That's why I copied it. I've put some basic information, created a contact form, which is, I'm sure it's working, but I can't test on my local host because I don't have the email functionality set up yet. I've created a menu, and later on, not sure is it going to be this evening, but probably tomorrow, I'll be focusing on the services page. Or actually, let's see. Or actually, I'll be focusing on the blog page because to be a lot easier. There's already a blog template coming up with the theme, so it shouldn't be too much to deal with. All we have to do is set up categories like news, events, and etc., where the people from the society can post their stories and more information, even though they're not using their blog too much. Oh, come on. We can do the gallery. Yeah, it will probably be either the gallery or the services or careers. About us, I'll miss it for now. Yeah, so it will be some of those 3 pages. Okay, well, thank you for watching. I hope you found at least some parts of the whole tutorial useful. If you if you saw me doing something wrong, or you noticed something that I can actually improve upon my skills and improve my WordPress knowledge, please let me know in the comments. Thank you very much and take care, guys.